Hello babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you guys with a try on haul from Fashion Nova. This is some summer pieces that I actually picked out. These are the pieces that I bought with my own money, and I hope you guys like this video. Please watch the whole video, subscribe, like, comment, and etc. And let's get into it. Okay, so the first piece is this Nova season pants romper, and I got this in a size extra large, and it was $17.99. so I love the colors. It's so pretty. It reminds me of like Chanel, I mean not Chanel, Versace or something, that pattern. That's what it's giving me. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is shorts, so that's pretty cool for the summertime. It's very stretchy. Like, this is an extra large and it's stretchy. I like that material. And it's just comfy, something to just throw on and just run out the house in and not have to do too much. I really like this, and it definitely show off your curves, and yeah, I like this a lot. So this is a go for me. Let's get into the next piece. So this next piece is the Go in Extra Mile color block set, and this is an extra large, and it was $39.99. It's a two-piece. Y'all know I love me a two-piece, and it has like the color block, the red, white and black. I like this a lot. I wish I would have got it in a 1X. I mean, it is stretchy, but I like my tops to be a little bit looser to cover up like my back rolls. But this is how it looks in the back. This is my bra, and yeah. So then the shorts, they're like this, and they have the same design at the bottom as the top. It's very stretchy. The bottoms are very stretchy, but I just wish I was able to get the top in a bigger size. I love the color. It's nice for like a weather like today here in Maryland. It's probably about like 90 something degrees, so this is perfect for that. But yeah, I like this a lot, and it does fit your curves, and it's pretty dope. I like this piece a lot, you guys. Yeah, so definitely pick this up because this is a winner. I will link it down below, or you know, try to like see if it's still available for you guys. But this is really cute. I like this a lot. But let's get into the next outfit. So this next piece is the Good Soul romper, and it was $19.99. I got it in the extra large. The material is not as stretchy, but I mean, I just feel like I would want it to be a little bit looser on me personally, but I don't think it came in a larger size. I think it only came in an XL, so I would have to lose like some weight a little bit. But this is it. I like it a lot. It's very low in the back. I like that. I feel like it's giving the army vibe. I feel like that's the new trend right now. It's like the different army prints. So for summer, I guess this is like a dope piece to have just to throw on. I've been into these like jumpsuits and these like rompers. So these is also shorts as well. So I've been into this type of style, just something to throw on, even if it's a two-piece or something like this. I normally go towards those type of things. But yeah, this is it, and I like it. I just would have to like lose a couple pounds, you know, well, at least my stomach a little bit, just so I can it'll be more flattering in this area. But I also just ate, you guys, so don't trip off me, okay? But yeah, this is it, and let's get into the next outfit. Now this set right here, okay, it's called Checking Up on My Haters, okay? And this was $32.99, and I got this in an extra large as well. Now ladies, I was contemplating on getting this outfit for, I swear, like a month. And I just kept saying like, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, and I never got it. But now that I have it, oh yeah, this is like one of them, the ones, basically. This is the one, okay? So I love this. Oh my god, I love this. And you know I love me a two-piece set, and I feel like the Motorsport vibe is like in right now. So yeah, I'm feeling this. And I got this in an extra large, and it's stretchy, it's a little see-through, so make sure you know, put on the right pair of undergarments or whatever. But it's a skirt, and yes, I love this. It's dope. I love this a lot, y'all. Like, I swear I love this. And the checkerboard is in, so I'm definitely going to get my wear out of this outfit because it's just so bomb. So yeah, let's get into the next outfit. So this is a dress. It's the cover all bases dress, and this was $39.99. I don't know what it is. Like, I've been like so into like red. Like, red has been my color. I don't know what it is, but I love the way it's like on my skin. Like, I just love this color. So I definitely like this dress. I got this in the extra large as well. You guys can go a size down because this is definitely stretchy. Like, I still have a lot of room. And what really got me like, okay, I'm feeling this dress is the thigh part. Look, it's a split and it goes up. Can you guys see? Yeah, okay. So it's a split and it's so freaking dope. Like, I love the white, and this is like blue, white and blue, and this does not open. These like buttons does not, they're like faux, like they don't open. But I love this. Like, this is like a cute dress. I was thinking about actually wearing this tomorrow for Father's Day, and maybe throw some heels on, you know, spice it up a little bit, and you know, just look real popping, you know. And it's real cute, okay? Yes, y'all. So yeah, I really do like this as well. So, and the material is like really thick too, so be careful too, because this is like really thick. It's not one of those like sundresses where you throw on and it's like flowy. No, it's like really thick. So just be mindful of that as well, you know, with the summertime. So let's get into the next outfit. This right here is called the Wear Style It Open black jumpsuit, and I really love this, y'all. Let me tell you why. I bought it in the green color, and I bought it in burgundy, and I got these in a 1X, and they were $32.99. I love this. Like, I wore this probably like 3 times already, and I only had it for about a month. Like, I've been like really onto this. Like, this is something that I just like go to, like a jumpsuit. So it's really stretchy. What really got me, y'all, is this back. Look. Oh, look how it like sits, like your back out right here, and then it just like sits your kicks up, you know. So if you don't have a butt, this will definitely make you look like you got one, okay? So yeah, this is like really cute, and then I have a tattoo, so it's like flattering. But yeah, I love this a lot, and I got it in the green, as you guys see, and also burgundy, because that's just me. Like, if I see it in multiple colors and it's bomb, like, I'm gonna get it. So this is definitely a win for me. So definitely pick this up, okay? And yeah, it's so stretchy. I think my burgundy one, I got it in the XL, but both of them fit perfect. Like, I like the fit of both. So yeah, definitely pick this up. All right, let's. First piece is the shorts, y'all. These are the Curves for Days biker shorts, and I got them in a 1X, and they were $19.99. These shorts are way too big, you guys. Like, look at this crotch area. They're way too big. I wish I would have gotten a smaller size, but I don't know. These are so big on me. I don't really like them. I mean, I like the color of them. I like, you know, I like what they're supposed to be. But no, they do not fit at all. They're just way too big for me. So I don't know what to do, but I really want to wear them with this shirt. So the shirt is the Friends crop top. I've been seeing this everywhere and I just had to have it. It's the Friends and it's just so dope, like the colorful dots. So I just got these to match it. I got this in extra large and this was also $19.99, and I thought this was like a cute outfit. Like, what happened, sis? Like, I just picked the wrong size and that's just making me mad because I really wanted to wear this. But I might can pull it off, I don't know, because they're just so big, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know, like it needs to be taken in or something. But I don't even know if this type of material can be taken in. Like, I don't know if this can be taken in, but, and they are see-through. Oh my god, y'all, I'm just looking in the mirror behind me and like, yes, they're really see-through, so you have to be really careful with these as well. But I do like them. They are comfy, they are stretchy. It's just not a go for me. The pants, this is the only thing that I did not, you know, really like. But let's get into the next thing. It's the famous what is it called, Ruffle trouble set, and I got this in a 1X and this was $34.99, y'all. When I tell you, this have been my go-to set, my go-to set. Like, I have rocked this at so many events already, like probably like 3 or 4 events. It's terrible with me. Like, if I find something that I really like, oh, it's a wrap. So I gotta stop wearing it because it's starting to lint in between the thighs, and I only wore like 3 or 4 times. Like, come on now, sis, like this. But I guess you pay, you know, for, what's the saying? Crazy. You get what you pay for. That's what I meant to say, you guys. So yes, but this thing is like, don't drop that, don't drop that. It's like, no, but it's lit. Like, I love this set, okay? Like, it's just stretchy and it's like bomb. So yeah, and it got the ruffles on the side. It's so cute, y'all. Like, I love this. Okay. Like, no, but I love this. This is like one of my faves, y'all. As you can tell, it's one of my faves. So I have one more piece after this and then we're gonna wrap this up. But let me get into the last piece, y'all. The finale, y'all. The finale is this bomb jumpsuit, okay? This is the striped season jumpsuit in the extra large, and this is $22.99. When I tell you, this was sold out in a few minutes. It was sold out, so I'm not even gonna link it. I'm not even gonna hurt y'all feelings. I'm not even gonna link it because it's not there. Like, it's sold out, y'all. But this is so bomb. Like, look at this jumpsuit. Look at this. Oh my god, look at these stripes. Like, it's giving me like sexy vibes. Like, this is a bomb. Like, I love this. It's very stretchy. It's nothing bad I can say about this jumpsuit. Like, I just love this. Like, I love the colors, I love everything about it. Like, it fits and it just hugs your curves, and oh my god, this is so freaking adorbs. Like, look at it, y'all. But that is it for my Fashion Over try on haul. I'm so happy that you guys stuck it through and watched the whole video, because I know y'all gonna watch the whole video. Y'all need to, you know, come with the Lola gang and be in the squad. Like, y'all need to do this for me. Like, I love you guys, and I love that you guys support me, and I love that you guys let me be myself, and I just love doing these, you know, videos for you guys. And I hope you guys stay tuned and see what I have in store, and hopefully I can be more consistent and like upload for you guys. But that's it. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, hit the reminder button so you can get notified when I upload a video, and just join my family. Like, come on, I know y'all want to, so just come on. All right, so thank you for watching. Bye.